All parties Hurriyat conference has deplored that the intensified cordon and search operations by the Indian forces in occupied Kashmir are leaving a trail of destruction, warranting the immediate attention and action from the global community to prevent the further human rights abuses and ensure a lasting resolution to the Kashmir dispute. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement issued in Srinagar said the world's most militarized zone is witnessing a surge in the casos, hitting at the Narendra Modi-led Hindutva regime's conspiracies to stoke the communal differences in occupied Kashmir. The Muslim religious platform Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama, led by the Mirwais Umar Farooq, has declared that no attempts would be permitted to spread the sectarian discord to disrupt the peace and harmony in the occupied territory. The MMU, in a statement released after the meeting at the residence of the Mirwais Umar Farooq in Srinagar, an Indian army man was injured in an attack in the Poonch district. The Indian army man was injured during a cordon and search operation in Batal area of the district. The operation continued in different areas till the last reports came in. Indian government is bent upon looting the natural resources of occupied Kashmir like the precious lithium, as the Indian Minister for Coal and Mines G. Kishan Reddy has revealed that the Indian attention, saying that the India would soon complete the exploration process of the lithium deposits in the Jammu region and it would be followed by the auction process. The Indian minister informed the country's parliament. People's Democratic Party has criticized the Modi regime for selective recruitment of the special police officers in Udhampur, Doda, Rajouri and Poonch districts. PDP General Secretary Mehboob Beg, addressing a press conference, claimed that the police authorities in these districts were instructed not to advertise the post publicly. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference has lambasted India over the situation unfolding in occupied Kashmir, saying it has completely shattered the illusion of the peace and normalcy fabricated by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian regime. The NC chief spokesperson Tanveer Sadiq, in a statement issued in Srinagar, blamed New Delhi for the increase in the violence.